Hey Amelia, I got your email, so I'm grading papers at my house. I need to take a break, so thanks for letting me do something else for like 10 minutes. Okay, so anyways, here's number three. You're working on this one, and I think a couple of problems that I see in the picture that you sent me. One, I think your calculator's in the wrong mode, first of all, so check to make sure you're in degrees. And then also there's an error when you're combining your 36 and your 16. So let me show you what's going on with you, okay? So here's your setup, and you have everything perfect so far. You've solved for c, right? So you're going to do c squared equals your a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of opposite side, which in this case is c. So c squared is going to be 6 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 6 times 4 times your cosine of 96 degrees. So I'll move it up. So that for c squared is going to be 36 plus 16 minus 2 times 6 times 4 is 48 cosine 96 degrees. That 6 times 4 is 24, and then double that. So 36 and 16 is going to be 52 minus 48 cosine 96 degrees. So this is how you plug this in the calculator. This is the part where I think you're messing up. So let me show you. With the calculator, first of all, turn it on and make sure that you are in degree, okay? So go over to degree, hit enter, make sure I'm there. Sweet. Here's what I do. To plug this stuff in, I do parenthesis, and then I do 52 minus, and then I do another set of parentheses. I do 48 cosine 96. Okay? You don't necessarily need the outside parentheses, but I just put them in there. So that gives me 57 point blah blah blah. So I want the square root of that. So second square root of second answer, and therefore c is about 7.56. Okay? So c is 7.56. So I'll put that back up here. 7.56. Now from there you need to get a and you need to get b, right? So I'm going to use the law of sine actually to get b, because I have everything that I need for it. So I'm going to say the sine of b divided by 4 has to be the sine of 96 degrees divided by the answer that I just found, which is 7.56. So therefore, sine of b has to be 4 sine 96 divided by 7.56. When you run that through your calculator, you get sine of b is equal to like 0.5262. So b is inverse sine of that stuff right here. And b ends up being something like 31.75 if you round. So therefore this is 31.75, and then you just subtract from 180 and add these two together and get a is like 52.25. All right, I gotta go back to grading tests. Hope this helps you. See ya.